Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now from the name of the video you guys can tell that today we are going to do a sibling tag. So let us first start by introducing ourselves. So my name is Shalaka as you all know, and I make videos on food, fashion, travel and lifestyle. And this is my elder sister.
Hi, I'm Kritika.
And this is my younger brother.
Hey, Ashutosh Karat.
So today we are going to do the sibling tag for you guys, and I'm very excited. Are you guys excited?
Yeah, little bit.
Little bit.
Yeah, somewhat.
I don't know.
They both are a little camera conscious. I have convinced them to do this. So, but because you guys enjoyed the video with my mom so much, so I thought this will also be fun. So let's just get right into the video. So behind the camera we have Catherine. Catherine, please say hi.
Hi.
So she's going to ask us questions and we are going to answer them. So bring it on. Ask us the first question.
Who's most likely to forget birthdays or anniversaries?
Yeah, Ashu.
Yeah, I think him.
Always.
Ashu will forget. I think Didi
I
will
need
know.
a reminder for that, or else I just forget.
So Ashu it is.
Who's most likely to be close to parents?
D.
The
She is
Every time.
always been that kid who's like
she might be the oldest, but she's always the.
youngest and very close to their heart. So
Yeah.
it's definitely her.
Who is most likely to be sleepy 24 into 7?
There's no doubt in this one. She is like a panda.
Wow.
She can sleep anytime.
Yeah, we
anytime.
can like wake up
And-
4
and
times, and even for the
anywhere,
5th time, she'll
anywhere,
just
yeah.
like sleep.
Who's most likely to be impatient?
Me.
Yeah, I think it's him.
Yeah, he doesn't allow the person to talk. Before we start talking, he has finished, like, he has already given a conclusion to
Yeah, the
it.
thing is, I have so much to talk about.
Yeah, but
Every
he's
time.
but you are impatient.
Yeah.
Very much.
Who's most likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
It's she always does it.
And I call myself a joy.
See, she's laughing right now,
She calls herself a jolly person.
and she laughs even more when I
Yeah, when she's saying that. And whenever she like laughs in like situations we are not supposed to laugh in, then she'll just be like, I'm a jolly person, so I have to
I
laugh.
cannot just keep quiet.
Who's most likely to be a flirt?
Flirt.
Traits.
I guess.
I think because they both are like very
Hey, even I flirt. Means like you don't know about that, but yeah, I do.
okay, it's him then because ठीक है our chances
can
are
be
open to
over.
flirt, so it's definitely him then. But I was the flirt पहले starting में, but ठीक है. Anyways,
Who's most likely to accidentally kill someone?
we all can told
I
you
found
because
that one.
we
I
are
found
having
that
like
one.
serious major
Yeah.
temper issues and like anger issues, so I think
Can kill.
we can kill anyone.
Who's most likely to spend all their money on something stupid?
We
It
know
has to be
this.
her.
It's me.
Her name is Shalaka Karat and she makes videos on food, fashion and lifestyle.
Shut up. Okay, next.
Who's most likely to cry in a sad movie?
Sad movie, oh.
I'll cry.
She'll cry.
Yeah.
I cry, but if it is like too emotional, not easily.
I can cry on any movie.
I can cry on serials also.
Who's most likely to create a drama or be a drama queen?
I think I-
Yeah.
She'll do it.
We know it.
Very nicely.
Karina do.
Out of mark she'll get.
Shut up.
Jab we met.
Who's most likely to be a good cook?
Shalaka
I
Karat
could cook.
again.
She'll do
Even
it.
she cooks good, but we have like a specific dishes. So she's
Actually, both of them cook great, to be honest.
Yeah, but
Shalaka
she
Di
is-
is good at almost everything, and Kritika Di is like to master when it comes to homemade food.
yeah.
Who's most likely to sing in the shower pathetically?
I think the
No.
you used to sing
I
earlier.
used to.
Yeah,
You used
but-
to sing while getting ready for school. I've like heard you singing this Hare 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 and all. Yeah, I've heard that song. सुना है? हाँ.
हम तो seriously.
That's a good song.
Who is most likely to have piercings?
Not me.
Not me. Not even her. No, we are not into piercings. I have one ear piercing. I hardly wear earrings, so there's no point.
I do like them, but yeah, I'm still scared of it.
But will you try like in future, near future?
Someday.
So
I
you-
really have like a courage to do so. Maybe I will.
Okay.
Who is most likely to have tattoos for someone?
No.
I have one already.
She has one.
So I definitely.
Yeah.
Would you like to do one?
No,
Like, no?
I
What
mean,
about
I
you?
love tattoos, but I won't really
Do it for
that.
someone.
Not even someone. I won't even do it for myself.
Okay.
Yeah, I just appreciate someone else's tattoos, but I wouldn't like it on my skin. I don't think so. I can do it.
Who is most likely to ask stupid questions to a smart person?
Me.
Even Dee does it. Yeah, because her questions are the stupid. क्या बोल सकते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा
Craziest.
stupid हाँ craziest मतलब she'll know some things and still she wants to ask them and then she
Yeah.
wants to hear it out from the
Just-
other person their
Just to hear
opinion
the other
first.
person's opinion.
Yeah,
About it.
I will need some.
Who's most likely to go on a blind date arranged by their mom?
I think Ash.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even
Yeah,
I
you.
feel that only.
No.
Because,
You.
Yeah.
Seriously,
it
I'll
will be
run
him.
away from.
No, because see, we cannot go. We are already married.
Firstly, mom would
And-
arrange a blind date.
नहीं, but
for
she
you.
had arranged a date for you. Like not a blind date, but after Jiju had come and yeah, वो देखने दिखाने का program हो गया
Yeah,
था. उसके
she
बाद में
had
she had
planned.
arranged a date. Not arranged a date,
Eh?
but then she
When did
told
this happen?
No, actually she gave permission.
for the date. Yeah.
She gave permission.
But
for
with
them.
Ashu, I think she can arrange the date for him.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nah, I
So
love
it's
my
Ashu.
mom.
Who's most likely to go on a hunger strike?
No,
I-
Janelle, me.
I can go on a hunger strike. But I used to do that when I used to get angry with mom.
Or if she did not get any clothes or something which she used to like, so she used to do that. I still remember.
Clothes, well, you're putting me out as a shopper.
Yeah, she used to do it. Like she used to show some one piece and she used to say, I want this only. And if mom used to say, no, we can buy this, we can buy this. We used to give her so many options, but she would say, no, I want that.
Because I was very
particular.
Yeah, I'm very
about-
particular. But I
She
still
is.
go on hunger strikes with
Yeah,
Akash.
yeah.
When I get angry on him, I still
Obviously,
do
he
that.
has to.
When you used to cheat as well. I used to bring her food from the back side.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
case you remember. Ha.
So he used to get me food, not food. He used to get me some chips and biscuits. I used to tell him just pass on it from the window, and I used to give him some 10 rupees, and he used to go and get me that. But ठीक है, mom didn't know.
Nah.
ठीक है, anyways, next question.
Who's most likely to go on a world tour?
Me. I would love
Everyone,
Yeah,
everyone.
we all-
We love to travel, so I think like
Let's go
all of
together.
us. Yeah, let's go together.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to go over the top with a prank?
Wait,
I think I can go.
I can try, but I'm like.
But you are not. He's not a prank person. He cannot prank anyone. I don't think
yeah,
so.
but Shalu definitely can do it.
But if someone pranks me, wow.
Who's most likely to get offended by a joke?
Me. Anytime.
Yeah, it's Ash. Actually he
I can't
doesn't.
take a joke.
He cannot take a joke. He doesn't even understand if people are like
Actually,
sitting in a group and they're like teasing and pulling his leg. He will still get offended. But ठीक है वो उसका nature है पहले से. Now we all know it. So
Who's most likely to get shouted at by their parents?
they both
Yeah.
are.
not only shouting, you can ask, you could say beatings
Beatings also, yeah.
It was always me and Arju, it was never her. We don't know how she used to get escaped. She was not a very good child, but but still,
I
she never got that beatings and that much scoldings.
But they
we
both got a
were
lot of
always on
She was a
target.
bit fortunate when
Yeah.
when it came to that one. So
And I was the most rebellious, I think.
Her only anger used to be removed on us. I feel that as well.
Maybe.
Who's most likely to forget people's names?
me.
Even I. So three of us.
We forget.
If I don't like the person, I don't remember their name.
I once called a person by her sister's name.
Oh. I hope you were not dating her.
No, just a friend.
Okay. There's okay.
Then it's fine.
Who's most likely to fall in love with his or her best friend? ये तो और शादी हो गई.
ये तो शादी हो गई.
I'm
Sorry,
not going to cut
option
that.
not valid.
Ashu can. I don't think so.
No, I
No,
can't.
no. Best friend, no.
No chance.
What was your favorite game to play when you were a kid?
Kukubara.
Kukubara, yeah.
Shalaka, they will tell you about that game.
So, Kukubara is basically a poem which we learnt in school. I don't think so if she remembers. Do you remember?
Yeah, I remember.
So this was a poem which was taught to us in school. If the Asturians are watching this, I'm sure you'll get a hint.
They remember.
So this was a poem, and then I basically invented this
Invented.
game. It's a very lame game, and do not try it at home.
I mean, you can.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
actually.
no,
It's
no,
fun.
great.
Really enjoy.
So basically क्या करना है? चादर, a bed sheet. You have to put it down on the floor, and then one person is going to sit in that bed sheet. And जितने भी बाकी के players हैं, मतलब जितने भी लोग game खेल रहे हैं, they are going to hold the bed sheet from every corner and then grab the bed sheet so that the person sitting inside won't fall. And then will come like the most interesting part of the game. We used to run with that bed
So
sheet.
grab that thing, that bed sheet, and
और हम लोग भागने के ऐसे corners में
में
घर में पूरे घर में and the person sitting in the bed sheet used to feel like they are in some sort of roller coaster, and it was a lot of fun. And while playing that, we used to sing this poem called Kukubara.
Let's sing it now.
Yeah.
Kukubara sits on the old gum tree, eating all the gumdrops he can see. Loved Kukubara.
Okay, I was the one who used to simply do Kukubara. Hey, I never.
Yeah, he knows
Because I know so did Asturi, so he didn't know that.
I have no idea.
So he used to say
So he just used to say
Kukubara. So with that we come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. We had a lot of fun shooting this one for you people. And what about you?
Yeah. We
Yeah,
enjoyed
it
a lot.
was awesome.
So if you guys enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down
If you need a part 2 of this.
yeah, a part 2, or if you want us to do like some sibling challenges as well.
Yeah.
Even that
we
would
can
be
go for
interesting.
it, yeah.
And please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video. And just one more thing, I would like to put it out here. I know there might be a little noise distortion in this one, but please do bear with that because I wasn't shooting at my place. So yeah, with that we come to the end. Bye bye.
Bye. आम्ही नाही करायचं.
करायचं.
Sayonara. तो पण ये ना
पण-
गाऊन मध्ये अचानक
कोणचा ये वाला
म्याव,
दाखव?
निघ.
And this is our mom.
अरे यार काय मान दुखते.
Bike as in a geared motorcycle like that.
Yeah,
And
but-
she learned that like very early, like 7th, 8th, I think.
No, 9th, 8th, 9th.
Kapna. She learned that very early, I think 7th or 8th.
फिरायला जायचं.
दीदी लॉकडाऊन आहे अजूनपर्यंत. मी पाणी भरत होता माहिती असंच या पाण्यात बसू वाटतं मशीन.
Mushroom.